बेटा बोलता है 2014 के बाद बेटा स्पीक्स दिस इज अवर वीडियो नंबर 9 ऑन यूपीआई पेमेंट्स डिजिटल पेमेंट्स एकीकृत भुगतान इंटरफेस आफ्टर demonetization of 500 and 1000 rupees notes in 2016 people started criticizing the process of digital payments. Many said people don't have mobile phones. Many said there is no electricity, there is no network. Many started saying Paytm means pay to Prime Minister. A lot of criticism. Today in our session we will see how the digital payments have progressed, how the people of India have changed their habits. The policies should be made for future. People started using the UPI interface. We will see the results today in our session. See UPI. UPI Unified Payment Interface, that is online payments. It's a real-time payment that helps to transfer cash immediately via mobile interface between two bank accounts. Buyer pays the amount and the seller receives the amount online immediately. Major applications in India that provide UPI feature: PhonePe, Paytm, Bheem application, Mobikwik, Google Pay, Uber, Chiller, Paytm, SBI's Pay, iMobile, Axis Pay, Bank of Baroda, many. What are the major benefits of UPI? Instant transactions. You buy something, pay immediately, transfer the money immediately to the seller or to anybody whom you want to send the money. It promotes cashless economy. All transactions are recorded now. No cash transactions. All cash transactions are recorded. When the transactions are recorded, people will have to pay the taxes. It increases the taxation in the system. It promotes the growth, economic growth. Black money is out. Data has been taken from RBI website. Basic purpose is to see the trends after 8 years from 2014. Hardly any transactions before 2014. So we can't show any data before 2014. All the data visualization is after 2014, rather 2016. See, people started UPI transactions in the year 2016-17, almost from 0 to 4,50,000 lakhs transactions in 21-22. A huge rise, a big mountain in rise. Value-wise, after 2016, the transactions in 21-22 rose to 80 lakhs crores. 80 lakhs crores. Huge big mountain, a huge rise in UPI transactions. Actual transactions. Volume wise, there was some 180 lakhs in 2016-17. In crores, 6,961 in value. In volume, in 21-22, it was 4,59,561 lakhs. And in value, they were 84 lakhs 15,900 crores. Percentage per year increase during these 6 years, the average growth rate in volume is 42,597% per year. 42,597 volume wise. Value wise, it is 20,134%. This is really unique. Nobody would have imagined that this will happen after 2016. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator. Thank you.